Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this absolutely amazing FoodVille milk frother. It's a 3-in-1 and it's even rechargeable. I got it from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion and you will be able to see everything live anyway, so you can judge on your own. So this is how I got it. Absolutely amazing. Watch how beautiful this is with this stand. And so it doesn't come only with a frother, but also with a whisk and with a dough hook. And so we can choose what we want to use. We just pull it out and take off the handle with the motor. Then align it just here inside. It has some opening here, and also here we have a part which we need to properly align. So we have a full secure hold. That's what we have now. And after that, it's super easy to turn on. We get the charge information, and when we push here, it starts automatically working, and we see the different speeds: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here we have a really very high speed, up to 25,000 RPM, but it doesn't only have very high speed, it's also very powerful. I've tried this already to make whipped cream, and because I wasn't very careful, I almost produced some butter. You can change the speed anytime or even long press and then shut it off immediately. And so I can show you that here live with a little bit of whole milk, starting on level 1. But now increasing the speed, you can see what's going to do. Yeah, absolutely amazing. That was real time, no cutting, no editing, and it filled up almost instantly the whole glass with really nice milk foam. So I turn this thing off and you can see already really nice milk foam, and I could keep even going, especially if I had a larger glass. Yeah, let's try this here. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Even with cold milk, imagine that would be hot milk. And it's also super easy to clean. We just pull this out. And so we can easily clean even in the dishwasher because it's really good quality. You don't have to be worried. Yeah, overall this makes a super solid impression. This is as good as it gets. I absolutely love this display here, something which I've never seen, the 9-speed. Also that it's rechargeable. All the frothers which I had till now have been working only with disposable batteries. That's much better here. And of course also that it's much more powerful than any frother I've seen till now. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also a great gift because it's really the best one I've ever seen till now. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this frother, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.